In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Audible mobile subscription. First, open the Audible app on your phone or navigate to Audible's mobile site in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you actually use for listening so the options you see match your region and your existing plan. If the app prompts you to update, it's worth doing that first so the menus and pricing display correctly. Next, head to your profile. On most phones, you'll find the profile icon in the bottom navigation bar. On some devices, it may appear in the top corner. Tap it to open your account area. This is where Audible groups key settings, including your library notifications, and importantly for today, your membership controls. Inside your profile, locate the membership section. It may be labeled membership, plan, or subscription depending on your region. This area shows your current plan name and billing cycle. It's a helpful checkpoint to confirm what you're on right now before you change anything. Now, tap Details. The Details screen is where Audible lists available plans and explains what each one includes. Think of it as your comparison page. You can review features, monthly costs, and any notes about credits or catalog access without committing yet. Take a moment here to read everything carefully so you can match the plan to how you actually listen. From here, you'll see the option to choose a standard plan. This is a solid pick if you mainly want access to a broad catalog of included audiobooks, podcasts, and originals to stream or download while your membership is active. It's typically the most budget-friendly way to explore lots of content, especially if you don't need to own many premium titles. You'll also see Premium Plus. This plan is designed for listeners who want extra flexibility. In many regions, Premium Plus includes monthly credits you can use on premium audiobooks, titles you keep in your library even if you change or pause your membership later. It usually includes everything in the streaming catalog too, plus occasional member-only deals. If you finish multiple premium titles each month or love collecting bestsellers to keep, Premium Plus often delivers more value. If you're more of a casual or variety listener who sticks to the included catalog, Standard may be the better fit. Also note that credit rules and pricing can vary by country, and unused credits may only roll over for a limited time where available, so check the fine print on the details page. Once you've compared the options on that details screen, choose the plan that matches your listening habits and budget. That's it. Enjoy your next great listen.